John from Copperfield and Sarah from Brookshire have a question about hot water.
Two people with the same problem.
Okay.
Okay, it's hot water.
Hot water's hot water.
All right, John writes, what kind of gas hot water do you recommend to go in the attic? He has a 40 right now. Meanwhile, Sarah has the same problem, but hers is in the garage. And she says, I've done research and see bad reviews on a lot of brands. And I have one bath and it's not used a lot. Sarah, perhaps you should use it more, but just saying. So, Tom, John and Sarah want to know, which one do you recommend?
Well, these water heaters, I'm surprised they're getting all these bad reviews, but I wouldn't take them all to heart because a lot of people just get angry for some reason, especially when they have to pay a lot of money to have their water heater replaced.
You say people on the internet get angry?
Yeah.
Shut up.
So they all have the same parts and pieces, and they're assembled in different places with a different name. But if you want a brand name that you can feel comfortable with, Alan from Abacus Plumbing, who he wouldn't use anything that he didn't think would be super good for his clients. They use the Rheem water heaters, and they've been around forever. So if you feel more comfortable with a brand that you get a recommendation from that I know someone that uses all the time, it would be the Rheems.
All right, but they're all pretty much manufactured the same standard.
They all have
right?
the same, they're all the parts and pieces are made in factories all over the world, probably Asia for the most part, and then they're assembled here under different names. Now, some will have a little more insulation, some will have a longer warranty, so you have to pay a little more money for them, but the same components are in the water heaters.
All right. You got a question? We'll put the same components in every answer, things that'll help you. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here in these videos, like these ones over here, and you subscribe to our channel, we'll tell you when there's a new one.